pull. Actually, you just have to touch it, and it goes off.
Okay.
So I'm going to shoot the first 10 rounds,
Alright.
and then you, and then
Dad.
your dad. Okay, let's see how we do.
Woo!
All right.
Good job, Rex.
Let's go down and see
I
how
want
we
to see
did.
how he did.
All right, so here we go. Gonna see how he did. How do you
Good
guys
job,
think?
Rex.
What do you think?
That was legit.
Oh, look at this.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Look at that. The old geezer.
That ain't so good.
No, not for you, it's not.
Okay.
No, that's good.
Hey, Grandpa usually he gets if he's on target, he'll get all 10 bullets right in that. It's in the same hole.
Yeah.
Show him how it's done. Or you show him how it's done. I showed him how it's done.
So here we go.
Yep.
All
Good.
right.